G'day! In today's video, I'm simply opening up a 9800X3D, which I feel like is going to be a very lackluster video, considering cooler is not included. So I'm pretty sure we're going to have a chip and some paperwork, and a fairly deflating box, but granted most people want that processor in their machine. They don't really care too much about the appearance of the box. AMD knows they don't need to do anything fancy to sell these chips, because these chips are selling like hotcakes. So in here, one processor, one sticker. I'll just lift this up so you can see. There have been rumours of fake ones of these getting sold on AliExpress. And if you're buying it from AliExpress, do take note of looking around here and seeing what's going on in these sections. I would say those ones may have nothing installed at all. Looks to be nothing, something, nothing. Nothing at the top. We flip it over. There we go. So do be careful of counterfeit 9800X3Ds. I don't know if they use different chips or if they simply just put a different chip in there, or they don't put one at all and just put a weight in it. Not too sure. We have the certificate of authenticity. Not much excitement going on there. And a simple invitation. I'm not sure where that QR code's going to land. Maybe you could tell me. But I'm not going there right now. I'm looking there. That's really it in the box. Not a lot in the box. Plenty in the processor.